Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product, which name is SKIN1004 Probio-Cica Bakuchiol Eye Cream. SKIN1004 Probio-Cica Bakuchiol Eye Cream has truly exceeded my expectations. As someone who could never tolerate retinol, I was initially hesitant about trying Bakuchiol, but this eye cream has been a game changer for me. The creamy texture glides on effortlessly, providing a luxurious experience suitable for even the most sensitive skin around the eyes. Upon application, it instantly hydrates and firms the skin, seamlessly integrating into my daily skincare routine. The key ingredients, such as fermented Centella asiatica with probiotics, bakuchiol as a gentle vegan alternative to retinol, carrot collagen promoting collagen production, and low molecular hyaluronic acid for deep absorption, showcase a thoughtful formulation that combines the gentleness of nature with effective science. What sets this eye cream apart is its fragrance and dye-free formula, conveniently packaged in a tube for hygiene and ease of use. The creamy consistency not only dries down nicely, but also wears well under makeup, making it a versatile choice. I appreciate that bakuchiol in this formula isn't light reactive, unlike retinol, as I've had no negative reactions despite being exposed to the sun frequently. My spot testing experience was truly remarkable. Overnight, the cream caused zero irritation, and the visible improvement in the plumpness of my smile line was impressive and long-lasting. The fact that it remained effective even though I sleep on my back confirms its efficacy. As I continue to use this eye cream, I'm optimistic about its potential to address fine lines and dark circles. The immediate plumping effect and excellent hydration have already made it a staple in my routine. I wholeheartedly recommend the SKIN 1004 Probio-Cica Bakuchiol Eye Cream, especially to those, like me, who've longed for a retinol alternative that truly delivers on its promises. This product does an exceptional job, and I'm excited to see the continued benefits it brings to my skincare journey.